Hello, 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 what's up? Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so we'll just wait for price to come here, okay, and then we can go for a sell. Otherwise, it's like nothing to do here, and then it'll just be like getting trapped and all those things. Okay, so better just wait for price to tap in, okay, and then we'll go for the sales. Like M15 is good. M15 we can take it. Oh, M30. I don't like M30 to be honest right now, and maybe we can take M30 also, but M15 is much better over here. So just price tapped over here, maybe over this thing and these two. Okay, so that's it. These two, and let's see. Oh भाई, let's see क्या होता है भाई. मार्केट तो सेल के साइड Okay, bye. Fuck this shit, man. Fuck. Ah, fuck. Oh, I saw. We just want like the price to tap in a way, man. Like it's taking time. Ouch. Damn. M15 still waiting like for price to tap in a way. Okay, let's see how it goes like this. What can we do? Nothing, man. Oh, I can just fucking read from here. Who cares? Who fucking cares? I can just read from here. I don't need that. Yes, much better. I can just read from this chart. Yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, whatever. Like it's still good. Like yeah, rejecting kind of still we can take an entry, but it's like there's no entry criteria. Candle away, man. There is no entry candle. What can we do, man? Huh? We can't do anything, right? So it's fine. Okay, my friend. Okay, what to do, man? We can enter over here. If it closes, like give me a rejection candle, and then we can fucking enter. Let's see, 36. Oh, whatever, it's fine. I need to increase the lot size over here, and let's see. You guys can see, right? Ah, the heck. Oh fuck no! It just dropped. It just fucking dropped, man. Whatever. Can't do anything in this case. What we want is right now is price to fucking close. I mean, I don't want M50. Oh, M30, right? It's good. It's good. Close this like shit. Okay, cannot. There was no entry candle in this case, to be honest, and you can see, right, and it already like went too past below this thing. So what I want is just price to come back over here, to be honest, this over here, and then we can go for a sell. Otherwise it's like not even a chance that we can fucking sell from there. That's it. and like it's fucking not coming. Like it's good. Like yeah, it fall. In this case, it's fine. Like it just started falling, but it's the only thing. Like I didn't got an entry, man, and that was the problem over here. I should have got some kind of entry. Like yeah, I know there was an entry over this thing, but again, it's not a very good entry to be honest. Maybe this thing. Nah, maybe forex.com possibly got like good candles. I need to constantly switch. Yeah, see. So it's kind of like yeah, you got really entry like over here, but I don't usually take those entries. In this case also, like it would be high. I guess it will be over here some kind of way. But again, guess I don't use that thing. So M15 right? Yes, M15. 15 minutes left. 5 minutes for this thing. I don't know, like we will be getting 5 minutes or not, but that's fine. Like we will be taking this trade from here if we get something. I mean, like if we get, we can take. If we get, we can take. Yeah, much better. So yeah, both entries are valid. Like from here, much better. But I mean, yeah, obviously that's gonna tap first. Then yeah, let's see if we get an entry in this case. Possibly yes. Yes. It's good that I just want to try it, like yeah, this is gonna close right over here, and M15 is gonna be like whatever, it might come back. I just want okay, price to not take this low. Okay, we'll be like pending this thing, and then we can just take buy sells from here, and it can take the lows. Before that, if it takes, it's kind of a risky. I'm not gonna say like it's not probable, but yeah, it's kind of risky. Okay, so yeah, and M5 again. It closed. Okay. Yeah, we can take trades from here. So yeah, so we found like one entry over here, this one, but I don't usually take this because there was nothing on the indicator. Yeah, see again all the buys, not the sells. So no sells, no entry, no sell. Yeah, we'll be waiting for. Oh, not this thing. I mean, like yeah, we can take this thing entry and okay. So how many entries are there? We're gonna take like target, not target, but more like over here something 50 pips or 100 pips. Let's see what we'll target. Okay, so this thing, M15, right? This thing. Oh, this is with M15. So the highest one is the most probable one. And I mean, I don't want this to be taken out. It's gonna be risky, but let's see what the market does, man. What the market does. And then we can target like this around here, like 78 pips, 74 pips, something like that, and then full lot size, nothing booking before that. It's gonna take time, and that's it for this. Let's see how long. If it take like H1, right? Yes, it's a low level, right? If it takes this, it's gonna take this from here, and then when I'm watching on TV, safe. No, I'm what? You're watching on TV? Why? Okay, I cannot say anything, man. Yeah, don't worry. I'm not gonna say. Just will. Just clean things, okay? Just clean thing, don't worry. Okay. It's like, it's not like I intentionally do it, it's just like automatically, okay? So it's not intentionally whenever I say it. So it's just I used okay, so this one is also a key level over here. If it closes below, that is, I mean, like, yeah. So yeah, remember, right, yesterday, so you trade NAS or Goldman? Let's do analysis on NAS possibly. NAS. Okay, so you trade gold, that's fine. 4648, 4648 from the QM possibly, right? Yeah. 4648. Oh, you mean, no, no, no. Okay, around here somewhere. No, but no entry. I think I should remove causation. Low is gonna be, don't care. Okay, so this low is out. Now it's kind of risky to sell, but I'll still try to get an M5 entry. If it is, even if it is risky, right? Okay, if even if it is risky, it's not gonna just snap back in. So I mean, like, the safest entry will be this, like deleting all these things, and then yes, the top, this one will be the safest entry to be entering from here, and all those all these entries are like not good at all. Okay, so yeah, I don't trade sessions, to be honest. Like, I don't like trading sessions. It's not profitable for me, to be honest. Like, okay, this session is out, like marking session as liquidity, I don't like it. It's like, nah, because even if you're using session, you need to have like some other confluences to add, right? You cannot just be like, okay, let's do this thing. And it's kind of like yesterday, right? This thing, right? On the daily it rejected, okay? In this daily it rejected, and on H1 it broke. So in this thing, right, it broke over here, and you might be like, oh, where to sell? H1 QM and H1 QM or H4 something. Yeah, H4. H4, it is not a QM. So H1 QM, that's fine. Just sell for me. So yes, this is what I was talking about. And then again, maybe okay, there wasn't anything over here which turned the direction, but let's suppose there is a roadblock, H4 roadblock in this case. Didn't touch this thing, H4 roadblock, right? So H4 roadblock will be breaking on a one time frame lower. Over here it broke, it didn't took it, so it's fine. We don't care about this thing, because this level for H4 it was here before it touched, so it's whatever, man, it's fine. We are just in, let's see how it goes. I mean, like, this one is the most probable one, cause M15 is aligning, sorry, M5, right? M5, this is the M5 level, and M5 is gonna hold. It depends, cause it didn't broke, and if it wants to hold, it's gonna hold like from M15, right? So M15 is also, and this one is also key level. So yeah, that's the only thing over here. Nothing else. So this one is breaking, and then nothing on M30, M5. Everything is, yeah. We'll just go for the salesman. Who cares? If it creates, okay. If it still creates another sell, which is kind of risky, but again, this one is the highest probable one. I don't want to go for a buy, to be honest. From here, it's like, it's nothing. Okay, H1 sell, then again we got an entry for H1 sell, which took the lows, so it's good. Now if it wants to take this thing, yeah, it can take it, cause it took this high, and so it took this high, and then according to the higher time frame, let's see, daily, right, on H4, yeah, so this one is still pending over here. Not pending, but more like this level should be taken out. So this level should be taken out, and then it will come, touch it, and then go upside. Yeah, that's the whole observation from my side. And I'm we're not getting entry. Yeah, I know. It's like, I thought, yeah, I just, see, this one is the most probable. I don't want any entry below this, because it's gonna, mostly because it took this low. So it's kind of see, whenever it took some, I think video is gonna take some. It's like, see, yeah, it can sweep. It's the same thing. That's what I'm saying. Like, if it took the lows, like these lows, right? This supports. If it takes something, right? So now what? It can reverse. Okay, so that's the whole thing. If it can reverse, then what's the most probable level that even if it reverse, or like it can stop the reversing? Okay, what's the most probable level which can stop the reverse? And for in this case it is this one. Why? I'll tell you. On M5 there is gap breakout, on M15 there is a classic, and then M30 is also like it's still forming, like possibly 3 minutes. Okay, so it's gonna be formed, and it's that is also an M30 this thing. So it's like 3 time frame confluence. Okay, so it's good. It's simply just good level. Okay, and that's why I don't want this, because even if I take this thing, it's gonna, there's nothing on M15 and nothing else. So that's the whole thing, and that's how we break or we stop from price reversing. Okay, just take the higher time frame alignment trades. That's it. So even if it is like, yeah, maybe, okay, and if it hits, okay, this is the last level. Okay, if it reverse, like closes, yeah, it's gonna just fucking go up. It cannot be like, oh, now if it takes this thing and then drops from here, nah, I don't want to risk. Like maybe one reversals, maybe one stopping of the reversals. Other than that, nah. And it's even like H1, right? For me it was like it rejected and then starts dropping, which is good, to be honest. And for M15 it just like went down. In this case also, right, there wasn't any entry. Yeah, obviously it tapped on the breakout level, but there was entry on M5 which was like meh entry. It didn't came, like there was so many breaking over here. Okay, so breaking points, and then M15 possibly this, maybe M30. No, there is no key level. So if this would have been over here and aligning with a gap level, it would have been a very good trade in this case also. But yeah, it M5 M15, right, C in this case also, like it broke M15 to the upside, but it didn't came back. So it's like just aligning. Okay, just keep on aligning with the higher time frames. I just want this trade one. It's just dropping. It's just continuously dropping. Possibly H4. Nah, nothing on H4. Just H1 levels being tapped in. This thing. Now we can go. I want price to tap it, man. Please, come on, come back. And yeah, closed. So 30. Okay, M30 is also the same damn level. So it's gonna wait, and we can take an entry over here. You are selling from H1, this thing, right? 48. So possibly from this wick, right? Possibly on maybe lower time frames. I don't know. There's nothing on H4. There's nothing on M30. There's, yeah, you can say like this thing, or M15. This thing by this, not buy, but the sell zone over here. These two. I don't know, like I cannot see on H1 anything, to be honest, and only M30 this gap, and that also like this gap over here, and then M15 only this spray by sell zone. That's the only thing I can see. Maybe I don't know, you do OC. Oh, this breakout you mean? On this one you mean H1, this one? I don't know, man, like it closed like 3 candles past. I don't take 3 candles past. Or maybe this candle, maybe, yeah, you can take this, like if you use refresh and the fresh zones. But again, I told you I just have, okay, H4. The fuck is H4? H4 this you mean? But H4 still forming. How did you took it? Like this candle, okay, this candle after you took the entry in this thing, like it started forming. So I don't understand, to be honest, like H4. But okay, fine, like I understand from here it broke M30 rate. Yes. Okay, it recently broke over here. So yeah, so it's like again H4 also, like from here to it like broke from here. We can go for a sell, man. Like it's fucking good, and there is no QM for this thing, so it can come back and tap in the zone. Bro, I never said I entered. I put. Okay, okay. Oh, I just remember, like, okay, you said like 4648. I'm on sell from that goal. That's what I thought. Like, usually, what it means, like, whenever someone says, like, I'm on, I'm like, oh, okay, you sold. Oh, fuck it. Okay, but okay, next line you said no entry. I just forgot that thing. Damn. I entered, put this. Good, 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 good. Just keep on journaling, man. Just keep on journaling. Don't forget. If you missed, journal. If you don't miss, like now I think like okay, I should have fucking entered the old entries. Okay, which I usually do this thing. Not even like I don't want this thing this much. Just take this thing. 1:2, whatever. 1:1 or 1:2. Where was the low? This low, possibly 3. But we stopped. I don't have enough journal data for that. The old entries, but it is kind of like a little bit complex, to be honest. The old entries are complex, which I don't like it. I don't want to be this thing over here. No, it wants to. Okay, it didn't happen into any level. So it's like okay, it's just like structure. Okay, whenever sweeping the highs and the lows is just like structure. I'll tell you. What everyone says like oh previous day PPDL or this thing, right? It's just SND, supply demand thing. Okay, whenever price takes the high, it comes back, kind of reverses little bit, and then on the internal level it sometimes take that, or maybe it takes this low, take it and then goes back in. Similarly, sometimes people be like oh okay, this is how people will be like oh it took it but it still kept going. Yeah, sometimes the structure, okay, price needs to break the structure on the lower time frame and then only it can. So what will happen? It might happen like on the higher time frame there is this level, a new swing or high low. Okay, so from previous sells, it takes this, and then if structure shifts, yeah, it's gonna come down. That's how it is. And I'll say if you include this thing, it's much better because I've tested it on. If you do pure MSNR, right? It's if you have to reverse, then you gotta learn trend lines, man. Okay, if you want to do this thing, or you have to be sure that okay, this lows after this low, there isn't anything that it can push up. You have to like practice trend lines like this. Trend lines. I don't know about you of this thing, trend lines or something else, but that's what it's kind of trend lines to me is kind of subjective. Even the trend lines are good, like but there are too many options. Okay, it's not subjective, but more like there are too many things to watch. You cannot draw a trend line from there. Like there are so many multiple trend lines. Okay, so it's kind of confuses me. Okay, it's kind of confusing to me. I'm gonna keep the order till 2 p.m. Why? Is there something at 2 p.m. that's gonna happen? I mean, 2 p.m. There's no news, right? Yeah. So yes. So yeah. That's the whole point. Try to include this thing: swings taken out. Wait for the lower time frame structure. If it shifts, you can go for the sell. If it doesn't, that's fine. But if it took like this is like this, how it is, this thing, and let's suppose something happens and then price shifted from here. Okay, so it took out. It might sometimes take this thing, come back, go. Sometimes it just takes this high, then come back. Then sometimes it doesn't gives a fuck about this thing, and then comes back. Okay, so yes. Today's news, I guess. Oh yeah, it's like something GDP and durable. I don't see. Yeah, okay, core price index, CPI, or something. Core PC. Yes, good. I'm like, yeah, possibly there is. Okay, fuck no, man. Okay, There is a problem with this thing. Okay. You trade from. Okay, so you just trade London session. Okay, that's fine. That's great. Like, having a window is great, to be honest. Like, and you should. Everyone should have a trading window. If you're not trading in a single time window, you are like wasting your time, and you're not even properly trading, to be honest. If you're sitting in front of a charts like holder, because I used to do it and it was like bad. Okay, it was bad for me, to be honest. So yeah, you everyone should have a trading window, even if you like trade anything, as in a support, resistance, trend lines, EMA indicators, anything. Just have a trading window, man. It lets you focus. Like, okay, so you won't be like trading every damn thing. I'll say this. I just want give me an entry. Okay, if it what I want is okay. Horror game? What horror game? What, man? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. It's a multiplayer horror. You can come join us on trading. Okay. I mean, like, you should enjoy trading. It'll be it's like a multiplayer community. Okay, so can you all guys hear the background noise or not? Tell me. When you join, they're not going back so much. Yeah. Whenever you join, you cannot even go back. Back off. It's good. It's good. It's good for your heart. Yeah, they're doing some kind of construction work, something. So that's why I have to just keep on pressing like mute and then unmute again and again. It's so again, like what I say, like it took the lows, right? H1 lows. Now if it can reverse, yeah, it can reverse. Why not? So it's gonna take time. Yeah, if you can, it's good for your heart. If you can manage trading, you can do anything. Just okay, it is trying to break upside, so it's still valid this level cause M15 also same level. Okay. Yeah, nothing more in this case. It's all good, man. Let it come. We can take like SL will be where will be the SL? Yeah, the highest. Okay, it's 20 pips. So this is what used to be of refresh levels, right? Or refresh. This is what I used to call like refresh levels. There was a level broke, but still loose, but then again still broke. It's like okay, I'll tell you. Okay, why I stopped using this thing. refresh level. Okay, refresh level works, but okay, whatever. But it is kind of it fucks you up. Why? I'll tell you. Some ah leave it. I'll just make a fucking video about this thing. Whatever, will be just waiting for price to tap in away and then go for a sell. What will be the condition? There'll be M1 rejection candle. That's it. There isn't anything else we can do. We'll be doing. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Rejection candle. Possibly we'll get like okay, what possible we'll be getting a maximum of 30 pips SL over here, like around here, because if price touches, maybe reject over here. That's it. So that's the one entry will be taken. That's it. If it goes upside, man, like just take it. I don't want anything else. Otherwise, like, it's all good. Let's see. Um, it's just gonna take time. Just come back, man. Okay, again, same damn thing. It's kind of rejecting, to be honest. Like, yeah, it can reverse. I don't know. Last point where it can stop. Oh yeah, that's it. Maybe just waiting. Maybe like 12:30 or maybe maximum at 1. Okay, maximum at 1. If we get an entry, we get an entry. If we don't, we just close. That's it. Okay, so maximum 1. And that's it. The best entry, okay, the best entry which I could have risked more. I wanted the entry to be there wasn't any entry, but that was the best one which I wanted. DBS sad. Why you sad? Like, I'm not sad, man. I'm good. Why will I be sad? Do you think I'm sad? Yeah, you have like, yes. You've been joining this stream for so long, okay? So if you think I'm sad, I'm like, why do you think, man? It's just when you trade for so much, right? It's kind of boring. I'm not sad. It's just kind of boring, okay, to do the same thing every day. And this is also like okay. So DBS, this is different side. No, no, no. I'm not. It's fine. It's like it's kind of I'm kind of bored, okay. So that's the thing. And this is a strategy what I created recently right now, okay. And I'm just testing it, okay. This strategy, this is the strategy what I taught my friend, and I'm just testing him for his sake, okay. Just the rejection candle and the entries and everything. It's kind of hard to teach someone, man. Like it's been a long time since I taught someone, and to a beginner, to be honest, like to a beginner. Some people like understand, like if they are in the trading like scene for maybe a year, they can understand. But like for the beginner, it's like, oh my god, they don't know candles, they don't know structures, they don't know rejection. Like I had to create an indicator for this thing, okay. I had to create like this, okay, this candle, rejection candle indicator, something for him to just not look for an entry, just like press it. If the color changes, just enter. It's too difficult. Like it's kind of like it's very hard to teach someone, okay. What? No strategy will work long term if it didn't have direction, then execution. Yeah, obviously. But again, it's like no strategy works all the time, man. Like even if you have a good backtested strategy, I'll say 2 3 years. It depends. Like sometimes, if everyone starts trading, it's gonna decay. That's it. Everyone says no, it's gonna work for 10 years. No, 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 no. You all think that it's gonna be. You all not think, but you believe. Okay, you all believe that it's gonna work. No, it's not. Okay, buy. Oh, buy. Oh, so fast. Okay, okay. See you next time. Everyone thinks. Everyone wants. Oh, not thinks. Everyone wants that they that. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, yeah. Everyone wants that their strategy works like all the time. Not even all, but by like for a longer time, maybe 10, 20 years, something like that. But it doesn't work like that. Okay, you have to keep modifying your entries. RSI doesn't work. MSI doesn't work. Price action shifts every few years. Few years, maybe like 3 to 5 years. Okay, something like that. It changes. Price when the gold used to be like around 2000, it used to give entry like you don't need to have a confirmation in that kind, but nowadays it's like, oh, fucked up. It needs to give like so many things to change, okay. So that was the whole thing. So it's like better for the swings. Just take swings, man. If you're new to trading community, just take swings or maybe scalping. Don't go for intraday bullshit. Intraday bullshit is like whatever. Either scalp, like not scalp, but scalp in with a big target and quickly get our maximum 1 hour. And if you cannot, like just swing. Doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. So I guess, do you know the scammiest shit people do, right? The scammiest shit people do like on internet. Oh ho. What the fuck? What the heck, man? It's not moving. Come on, just come back. Like, just fucking like till one. Give me an entry, man. Man, I don't think it's gonna come back. This is the thing. shit, like still wasting time, man. M30 right M30, 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 M30. This is the last line or the last level. And it is taking too much time, man. Too much time, too much fucking time. It's going to go from here or not. That's the whole damn thing. Just come touch it at least, okay? We'll take entry like after it touches and then get indicators thread. Man, let's fucking go. I just wanted to fucking touch. Okay, it's gonna just take time, possibly 10 20 minutes, whatever. Let's see, man. Okay. Let's just touch it, man. My brain, touch it, man. Please touch it. Still like hovering upside, man. What the fuck? Okay, we gotta change the broker, to be honest. Like it's fine. It's touching is whatever. When it touches, we'll change the broker. Not now. Just touch it, man. Just fucking touch it, and then we can go for a sell, right? You all already know, and if you don't know, like we need a confirmation. We not gonna just enter over there, okay? So just a simple bullshit confirmation. It can be anything. You can take any kind of candle to act as a confirmation. It's not hard and fast rule, okay? So it's just back testing data. That's it. And if it touches, it's good. If it doesn't, I mean, like whatever. We'll be putting SL regardless of what we do. Enter over here, whatever. Put the SL above. It's gonna like maybe maximum 30 pips, right? Yeah, I guess like 30 pips will be the maximum SL we'll get in this case, but it depends on the market and the candles. So let's see how it goes. Okay, just fucking rejecting downside. We cannot take any trade over here. Just come back, man. Just come fucking back. It's a tank. Okay, so again, there is no fucking wake in this thing, which is kind of risky, and I don't like it. I just want price. See again, it's if it happens, man. If it happens, please, please, no, 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 no. Please give me an entry, please. If it drops, it's gonna suck. Where's the TP mega? Like, depends on the entry, man. Like in this case, we will be waiting for this level to be tapped, and then we'll get look for an entry, maybe 30 pips. TP will be around. It depends. Sometimes if we get like a bigger SL, then it'll be around 100, 150 pips. If it is smaller, then just like 70, 80 pips. So it depends on the candles. Okay, it's not like okay, we're gonna just enter over here. So I don't know, to be honest. I don't know where the tip is gonna be. It's okay. So so if you know, we not gonna targeting the lows. Okay, we don't do okay. If we like enter over here, we don't target. Okay, it's gonna go for the lows. No. I don't do that. It is like my old thing. Everyone thinks like, oh, the bigger are the better. Nah, I just get like 1:2 and that's it out. It depends, and 1:2 can be 100, 200. Who knows? Depends on the candle. So yeah. So I don't this is not the lows is like okay, low taking the TPs at the lows is like it's just for influencers, okay, like taking the trades with small SL like this over here and then TPing everything over here, maybe like you're scaling from here again, something like this, and you'll be seeing like all these entries, okay, on internet. This over here, where's the TP? Oh, this one. Why this? Why not this thing over here somewhere randomly over here? So I don't do TPs like that, man, sorry, but I just keep it realistic, to be honest. And I'm like, yeah, whatever, man. 1:2 is fine, and with a good win rate it's much better than like having a low win rate and having like so many TPs. Let's see, almost done. Get an entry. Come on. Just give me an entry, man. Gold. Come on, you can do it. Come on, just a few more candles up. Okay, fuck it, man. Oh, we won't be getting any entries again. It's doing the same damn fucking thing. It just taps in over here and starts dropping. What can I do? Nothing. What should I do? Nothing. I don't know anything. Nope. Nothing. Mm-hmm. The same damn thing, man. It's the same fucking damn thing. High time frame. Nope. 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 It sucks, to be honest. It fucking sucks that we are not able to get any entries because it's not coming back. And yes, we sometimes don't get entries. What can I do now? Nothing. Maybe in the evening session. Okay, whatever, man. Like we can just fucking close the stream. Bye, 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 bye.